Welcome to Parade Academy, dear students. So today we'll discuss science. Science. This is for standard 7. Standard 7. This is chapter 18, and we'll discuss wastewater story. Okay. So this is your last chapter from your textbook. So today we'll finished all the chapters of the science book. So let's start the question answer. First is the time to answer. This is page number 217, and this is answer the following. What is, first question is, what is wastewater? So question number A, the dirty water that goes down the sinks, toilets, bathrooms, kitchens of our homes into the drains is called the wastewater. Then question number B, what is algal bloom? The rapid increase of accumulation of algae in an aquatic system is called algal bloom. Question number C. Name two inorganic impurities present in sewage. Metals and nitrate salt are the two examples of inorganic impurities present in the sewage. Question number D. What is manhole? The covered opening built at the junction of two or more swales or at a point where there is a change in direction of swales to facilitate maintenance work is called manhole. Then question number E, what is swales? So a channel of small and big pipes called swale carrying swales away from our houses is called swales. So next time to answer. So circle the correct word among the two given in bold to make a meaningful sentence. This is your page number 219. Okay. So first A question is clean water that is fit for human consumption is called potable water or wastewater. So potable water. This is potable water. Bar screens or grit chambers remove solid materials. Bar screens. Dried sludge methane is used a fuel. Methane used as a fuel. So aerobic or anaerobic bacteria consume organic contaminants like feces and soap. Aerobic. So next question is E. So leftover food should be disposed in the dustbin or kitchen sink. So dustbin. Now come to your textbook question answer. First is multiple choice question answer. We'll discuss all questions are with answer one by one. So first is the solid matter that is produced during sewage treatment is called dash. So option third is sludge. Option third is this is sludge. Question number B, which of these are a part of the WWTP? So the answer is all of these. मतलब कि aeration tank, vertical bars and clarifier. So option IV, this is all of these. Wastewater is generated from due to dash domestic activity, industrial activity, commercial activity. So all of this. So this is also the option IV, the all of these. Okay. The release of wastewater into water bodies causes water pollution. Water pollution. Then which of the following are produced during wastewater treatment? So option E, this is both first I and second I, sludge and biogas. Sludge and biogas. F number, an example of organic impurity is vegetable waste. Vegetable waste. Then come to the question number 2, fill in the blanks. In WWTP, dash remove solid materials. A is bar screens. Organic matter that settles down in sedimentation tank is called sludge. Okay, then question number C, a dash is used to remove oil and grease in primary treatment of water, skimmer. skimmer skimmer. Question number D, dash bacteria act on sludge and convert it into dash, an aerobic bacteria convert into methane. Then number E, air is pumped through clarified water in an aeration tank. Then water that is safe for drinking is called potable water. Then come to the question number 3, that is true or false. So first question is phosphate and nitrates are inorganic impurities. This is true. Manholes are located at a distance of 5 to 6 kilometer. No, false. Then sewage from leaking pipes cannot enter the drinking water pipes. False. Algal bloom occurs when water bodies contain less nutrients in them. False. Potable water is colorless and odorless. This is true. We should dispose tea leaves and food remains down the drains. False. Next question number 4, very short answer type question. So first question A, what are dissolved and suspended impurities present in sewage known as contaminants? Then question number B, what is potable water? Clean water that is fit for human consumption is called potable water. C, write the full form of WWTP. WWTP means wastewater treatment plant. D, name an inorganic impurity present in sewage, metals. Okay. Then next is, this is complete very short type. Then short answer type question. Define sewage. So sewage means wastewater from various source that flows down the drains is called sewage. Then B, what is algal bloom? The rapid the rapid increase or accumulation of algae in an aquatic system is called algal bloom. Then what is sware? A channel. Question number C. A channel of small or big pipes that carry sewage away from our home is called a sware. D. What are septic tanks? A septic tank is used for sewage disposal and consists of one or more than one tanks connected to one inlet wastewater pipe at one end and a septic drain field at the other. So question number 6. How is sludge treated in a wastewater treatment plant? So first question is, first all of a skimmer is used to remove the oil and grease impurities that float on the water. Sludge is then transferred into a separate tank and anaerobic bacteria are allowed to act upon it to produce biogas. Then the clarified water so obtained is transferred to the aeration tank where air is pumped in to allow aerobic bacteria to act upon the remaining organic matter. Once the bacteria settle down at the bottom of the tank as activated sludge, water is removed from the top using sand drying beds and is discharged into nearby water bodies for a natural cleaning. The dried sludge that is left is used as a manure. Then question number B. So why is the speed of incoming wastewater reduced in the grid chamber in a wastewater treatment plant? So this is question number B question. You can write from your textbook. So here is the answer. Question number B. In the grate chamber, the speed of incoming wastewater is reduced so that sand, grit, pebbles, and gravels settle down, which are then removed. Then next is question number C. Question number C. C is how is wastewater treated in a wastewater treatment plant? The wastewater treatment involves many steps. So primary treatment, in the primary treatment solid impurities of the wastewater are removed using using bar screens and grit chambers in a step by step way. It is separated from the wastewater using a scraper and freed off from oil and grease using a skimmer. Then second treatment, so in this step, the sludge transport to a separate tank where anaerobic and aerobic bacteria act upon the sludge one by one with the production of a biogas. Then tertiary treatment. Third treatment or tertiary treatment. In this final step, bacteria settle down on the sludge and the sludge is removed from the treated water and dried in sand drying beds. Finally, treated water discharged into nearby water bodies and further cleaned through a disinfectant chemicals. Okay, then next question number D. Write short note on better housekeeping practices. So here is a sum of the housekeeping practices that reduce the sways of water are listed below. So first is we should always throw the leftover food in the dustbin rather than throwing them in the kitchen sink, as it may result in the hardening or blocking of pipes. We should avoid disposing the used tea leaves, food remains, cottons, sanitary towels, etc. into the drains, as it may cause clogging of drains and badly affects the degradation process of these items. Then we should avoid throwing the chemicals such as paints, medicines, and insecticides into the sink, as they may kill the microbes which help in cleaning the water. So that's it. So the end. So your science chapter totally completed uh, today. Okay. So next we'll discuss the another book, means history, geography, as civics. We'll put that video in this channel. So subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.